You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing name. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, in particular more animal names, genuses, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Caenorhabditis, that's your English pronunciation here, right? So it's not Caenorhabditis. Now the Americans would usually say it as Caenorhabditis at the end with a flap T, but similar pronunciation. So Caenorhabditis, it's easy once you know Caenorhabditis, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.